How to play with friend in the Bingo Blitz game. Playing Bingo Blitz with friends enhances the gaming experience by allowing you to collaborate, share rewards and enjoy the game together. Here is how you can connect and play with your friends. Now you need to add friends to play with the friends. Tap onto this icon right here at the bottom to add friends. And from here you can simply tap on to invite, and you can simply invite the friends by copying the link. Now copy the link and paste it to that person that you want to send the link, and they will accept the invitation and you can be friends in this game. Now to play together you need to join the Bingo Blitz room. Now this icon, tap on it, and this is the Bingo teams. Now by here you can join the friends and you can simply play with the friends. For now you can see I haven't reached level 35, that's why it's locked. And if you want to play with friends, you need to reach level 35 first. And that's it. This is how you can play with friends in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.